Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add music and sync it perfectly to your video in InShot, whether it's for Reels, Vlogs, or YouTube. Let's get started. First, open your project in InShot and tap the music icon at the bottom, or also called the audio tab. You can choose the InShot built-in tracks, your files, or even extract audio from another video. And once added, tap on the music track to open the editing options. Here you can trim, fade, in or out, or adjust the volume. And then to sync the music to your video, you can play the video, tap beat while listening, and InShot will drop the beat markers where you tap. Then these markers appear at the yellow dots and help you align with the clip's text and transitions in the rhythm. You can also manually zoom in, or in the transition timeline you can match the visuals to the spikes in the audio waveform for precise syncing, and use a fast beat for action edits or for slow tempos for cinematic videos. And that's it. That's how you sync the music perfectly in InShot. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what edit you want next. Thanks for watching.